everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a haul with you guys. It's mostly items from the Warm Wishes collection by Vicki Boutin, but I also pulled into my cart some of the Bungalow Lane collection by Paige Evans. And this one random item here, which would be from PinkFresh Studios. And these are metallic pearls in the color gold. And there are several different colors available. Now I will go ahead and link all of these items you're going to see today on my video down in my description box so you can check it out. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you first what I got from Bungalow Lane, and then we'll dig into the beautiful, gorgeous Warm Wishes by Vicki Boutin. So for the Bungalow Lane collection by Paige Evans, I got just some papers here, pattern papers and some ephemera. I knew I had stuff in my stash that would definitely go with this collection as far as the colors go and more subtle patterns. I definitely got it for the busiest side of the papers. So here we have paper number 9, and these are all leaves I am going to fussy cut out. I love the addition of the pink and the blue in this fall collection. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we have some lovely hearts. And I just love this pattern paper. I love the color here, this pink. It's a lovely floral. And this side. I also grabbed, and this would be paper number 7. All of these I will have linked in the description box below. Here we have another floral. Not as colorful as the leaves or as busy as these beautiful flowers here, but definitely gorgeous. I love that it's on a dark black background. And the more subtle side. Here we have blues and greens. And this one would be paper number 3. This one was paper number 2. And I'm going to come close up here so you can see those designs inside of those triangles. And on the flip side, you have pink plus signs. And here we have some stars. These are all made up of little lines you can see up close. This one would be paper number 10. And here on the flip side, we have this design. And we have lots of leaves on this pattern paper here. And this would be paper number 16. And I keep holding it upside down. Paper number 16. In those leaves you can see that lovely pink color once again. I love this side, and I love how it looks with that strip, that border strip there. Beautiful. I actually love both sides of this. I should have gotten 2. And the last one I got would be paper number 17. Gorgeous. So now we have the ephemera pack. These are 50 embellishment pieces here. I am going to go ahead and just open it up here just to give you an idea of the sizes you get in here. Just a few we're going to look at. And I see a butterfly, so there's not just florals in here. Beautiful butterflies. Oh, and I love that these do not have that white border around them. I don't always have a problem with the white borders, but I absolutely love when they don't have the white borders. And why not just go through all of them? I always like seeing the items up close when I look at haul videos. More butterflies. So we have 3 of them. Beautiful. And none of these have the white border. Really cute. The leaves. Have more florals. I use a lot of florals on my layouts, especially when I document photos of my daughter. I tend to reach for florals, hearts, and stars the most. So looking at this collection, I knew this was the pack I wanted to get. There are other embellishment die cuts packs available. Awesome leaves. And the last one here. Now these are the larger ones. We still have more in this pack, and these are smaller ones. Sorry for the crinkling. Let's see, we have leaves. Once again, florals and leaves. And this one sort of got away. A really nice mix here, and you get so many of them. So many pieces in this ephemera pack. What did I say? There were 50 pieces all together. I cannot wait to start working on some fall layouts. And that's it for Bungalow Lane. I'll go ahead and grab the Warm Wishes by Vicki Boutin. So next up, I'm going to show you guys what I got from Warm Wishes by Vicki Boutin. I got some of the 12 by 12 pattern papers here. And this one is called Holly Jolly. Now on this pattern paper, you can see all of the colors that are in this collection. Now this, of course, like I said, is a Christmas collection. But, for example, this side of the pattern paper doesn't look too Christmassy. And that's one of the things I love about this one. So I can use it throughout the winter time on my other layouts, in my December daily, and it does not have to be Christmassy with Christmas trees and ornaments and so on, because not all of my layouts in that album is going to be Christmas related. I love this one for the tags, and this would be Oh What Fun. I love all of these cut aparts on this pattern paper here. And a lovely design on this side as well. But I definitely got it for the cuttables, cut aparts. Here we have the ornaments. Definitely fussy cutting these out. This would be Deck the Halls. Beautiful colors in this collection. I love the distressed look as well. And a very deep red with a subtle design on the background. Here we have some more cut aparts. These are 3 by 4 cards. Actually, yes, 3 by 4. And it's called Hello December. Now I am going to mix this collection with some items in my stash and put together my kit that I'm going to be using throughout December into January. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that button today. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once I upload new videos. And I got a second one of this pattern paper because I loved this side. Now this is a layout already prepped. Beautiful site. You add your photos, some embellishments, and you're all set. I love this paper. And a lovely design on this side as well. I also grabbed the 6x8 paper pad. And I got this size because I work in a smaller album for my December daily type project. I usually call it December Memories. And here are all the designs you get in there. I'm going to give you a quick flip through. You have the wreath. Some poinsettias. I love the distressed look on these pattern papers. Here we have the strips once again and the text. I love this pattern paper here. And all of those socks. And here's a smaller version of this beautiful paper. Let me show you how it compares. So we have the large one and the small version. And here's a smaller version of that pattern paper. Definitely using that in my December daily album. Here we have some cut aparts, some more, and that beautiful stripe, diagonal stripe. We have these lovely stars and the wreath once again, and it repeats. So you do get 2 of each design. So here I also got some of the embellishments and the stamp set. I love the stamp set. Look at the lovely stars, and we have stars, the cluster here, snowflakes, the bird, details, the word joy that you can color in. That's just the outline of the word, tradition, and this holly branch, and the number 25. There you go. Very cute stamp set. Trying to avoid the glare. Okay, so now we have here the 40-piece embellishment set, and it says here it's champagne gold foiled accents. On this side you can freeze it. Take a look at all that's included. And I'll also go ahead and open it up, give you guys a really quick look. So we have some tags. What can be a title on a page? Card. I love this one. Christmas. Bird. These banners here that you can definitely cut apart. I just love this. Here you can add a list to this tag here. Punch a hole, create a tag with it. This looks like a bingo card. Actually, it's a calendar, December calendar. Family traditions, another tag, a journaling card. 12 Days of Christmas. I love the punched side there. And it's a torn design at the end. The magic of Christmas. Warm winter wishes. And here's another one of those punched out and torn edge. Making a list and checking it twice. Merry everything and happy always, and jolly, holly jolly. So here we have this special delivery to and from. We have some tabs in different colors, a wish list, shopping list, the night before Christmas, hello December, number 25, making spirits bright, a beautiful sight. Let's see, ho ho ho, it's a tag, winter wonderland, 'tis the season, it's a frame, label, 25th of December, merry, another tag, Christmas countdown. Here we have another tab, and rejoice. I also grabbed the puffy stickers. There are 135 pieces here. You can see we have some hearts, some round ones, some stars, believe, merry, love, word phrases. We have numbers 1 through 25 and a bunch of other word phrases in several different colors here that goes with the collection, and black and white. And I grabbed the stars. There are 50 stars all together. And these are not only stars, they are hearts as well. I love the different sizes that's included. Now this gives me options here for when I do a 12 by 12 layout or one of my smaller size layouts like in a traveler's notebook or maybe a 6 by 8 album this year. I love these that have the music notes on there. And here we have some smaller ones and more hearts. And you get so many. Like I said, there are 50 pieces altogether. And let's check out the top pack of this. Now here we have some smaller ones. Now there are other items that's not available yet that I do have on my list that I want to get to add to what I already have here, such as the thickers and some word phrases. I did not get those in my cart yet. Some of them are not available. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking through this lovely collection by Vicki Boutin. Again, that's Warm Wishes, and also what I got from Bungalow Lane from Paige Evans. So I want to thank you all for watching today, and until my next video, bye.